Your Darn Good Yarn, your creative lifestyle destination for items that spark your creativity and do good in the world. XOXO, Nicole and the DGY team. Okay, this is my first Darn Good Yarn subscription, okay? A couple people in the Knitting Guild, well, the local fiber guild, has this subscription and they really seem to like it. They said you get just the most interesting, unique yarn, which there is a basic $10 a month subscription, or you can add like an extra $5 to that and get like an extra goodie. So of course I'm doing the $5 and the $10, and with shipping it's like 18 bucks a month. Let's see what I got. I got a what? Wow, got some interesting stuff here. What is this? Oh, packing slip. Welcome to the Darn Good Yarn family. I'm not going to read all this, but I'll hold it here if you want to pause and read. Darn Good Yarn of the month. It's thanking me for joining the club. That is really cool. Ooh, exclusive savings. Okay, and here is a pattern for a rippled neck warmer. And Snow Big Deal Cow. Snow Big Deal Cow. Okay, well, I want to check out. Oh, wow, is this like silk? Indian brush stroke. Indian printed ribbon, 50 yards, 1.5 ounces. It's all about the story. Learn more here. So this is going to be like the recycled fabric yarn. I've never used this, but this is interesting. Ooh. This is interesting. Okay, so how do I find out what this is? Maybe I shouldn't have just skipped over everything. And okay. The yarn that you have here is a yarn favorite. It's a worsted weight yarn, roving silk yarn. Cool part of this yarn, it's 100% reclaimed recycled silk and has been hand dyed at one of our favorite co-ops in southern India. I wanted to have this yarn show off its sweet rainbow with a simple but powerful cowl. So that is what the cowl is for. When blocking this yarn, be sure to use some white vinegar in your cold water. It really helps to get rid of any residual dye and ensure it sets the closest staple for years to come. Lay flat to dry. Okay. Oh, let's check this out. What is this? Oh my god. These are so cute. Alright, I gotta get these out of here. Look at this crochet hook. This might be, I'm getting ready. Our Fiber Guild is getting ready to do the Sophie's Universe crochet along. So maybe this is the crochet hook that I will use, because I'm still trying to decide what yarn I'm going to use. How cute is that? Okay, and these needles. Size 8s. 5.0 millimeters. The tips are dyed purple. These are neat. Okay, so what did it say? Oh, and those needles and hooks to die for, right? Purple is my favorite color, so you'll see a lot of it around here. If you're not in love with this yarn club, be sure, if you are in love with this yarn club, be sure to share with your friends and family too. I think these are cool. That is really neat. Yay! Alright. So this is my first month, and all of this was $18. It also came with 2 patterns. We got my Darn Good Yarn package. We got some recycled silk, it looks like. I've never used this, so this will be interesting to try out. And we've got some more recycled silk that looks hand spun, hand dyed and everything. From India, so I'm going to assume both of these, yeah, these are both from India. This is printed ribbon, and this is hand-dyed silk yarn. We've got knitting needles and a crochet hook. Let me see if one is a knitting pattern, one is... Okay, this is a crochet pattern. And this is our needle pattern, I think. I'm not 100%, but this is really cool. Alright guys, that's all I've got for you now. All the information about how you can get your own box, how you can get your own subscription, and so forth and such is in the video description below. If you get this subscription, leave comments in the comment section below. I know, just because this I think is really cool, and for $18 I got some yarn, some fabric yarn that I've kind of looked at, but I've never bought because I didn't know what I'd make with it. So I've got some of this just to put in my stash, and when I get brave enough and I find a pattern I like, I can pull this out and try it. I got some recycled hand-dyed silk, which it's very nice. And they said it's a roving silk. It's just a one ply. It looks hand spun, basically, silk. And then I got a set of knitting needles and a crochet hook. Let me see. Can I get them to stand like this? I don't know if I can, the knitting needles. I don't even know why I'm trying to do this. I guess it doesn't really matter. But I've got the knitting needles too, which these are size 8s. And this is a size 8. US size 8, 5mm everywhere else. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the video description below. If I get any, I'm going to overlook the papers again. If there's any special deals and stuff in here, I will put them in the video description below. Thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, have your notifications turned on, and follow me so that when I have new videos come out, you will receive an email notifying you that I've got a video and what the video is. So thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to leave comments too. You guys have a nice day.